Hi, and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video, we're going to be making chocolate wafer cookies. So to begin, we're going to take 1 3/4 sticks of butter that have been softened at room temperature. Into that, we're going to cream in 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Once our butter and sugar have been nicely combined, we're going to add a tablespoon of espresso powder, as well as 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once our wet ingredients are nicely combined, we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to start with 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 of a cup of really good dark cocoa powder. And we're just going to combine all these dry ingredients with the wet ingredients until the dough is a nice cohesive ball. Then we're going to divide our dough in half, and we're going to roll these into about 10-inch logs that are about 1 1/2 inches to 2 1/2 inches in diameter. Then we're going to cover the logs with plastic wrap and put them in the refrigerator for an hour. Once the dough has had a chance to chill in the refrigerator for an hour, we're going to take these out and we're going to slice the cookies into really thin slices here. So we're trying to get about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, we'll place our cookies on a parchment lined baking sheet, and we're going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. And here's the finished product, chocolate wafer cookies. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.